Birds are intelligent and social creatures that thrive in stimulating environments. Creating an enriching environment for your feathered friend is essential for their mental and emotional well-being. Start by selecting a spacious cage that allows for plenty of movement and flight. Provide a variety of perches with different textures and diameters to promote healthy foot and leg muscles. Offer toys designed for mental stimulation, such as puzzles and foraging toys, and rotate them regularly to maintain interest. Ensure your bird has access to natural sunlight and engage in daily social interactions, like talking and singing with your pet. By catering to your bird's needs, you'll create a nurturing environment that fosters a strong bond and a healthy, happy bird.